guys, we are back and we are on this Among Us. You can see this is my favorite game to play, but I can play different games if you want me to. Okay, I can play like COD Mobile, Call of Duty. I can play Call of Duty for you. Want to play Call of Duty? I will play Call of Duty. Well, we're here with another banger, baby. And I'm the crewmate. Now let's go. Let's go. Bow. Sorry, I sneezed. Whoa. Wait, I'm on Roblox? What? What? Strange. Cow? Well, I guess I'm playing Roblox. Go follow. Go be my friend. My name is DAVAUN_14. Okay, today. I guess we're playing Roblox Among Us. See on top of my name? DAVAUN_14. I'm the imposter! In today's video, I am the imposter! Where? I know, it was an electrical. They don't know I'm the imposter. If you're new here, well, Roblox Among Us is just like Among Us, the real Among Us. Oh, Cyan! Wait, am I Cyan? No. Woo! Okay, Cyan. Here she goes. Okay, we may have won here. Okay. I'm gonna kill some more. What? Red Velvet? I'm gonna frick you in. Let me frick you. I'm killing Red. He ain't there anymore. What's up? Slime. Oh no! It's purple. It's purple and black. Frick! Crewmates win. Oh. Suck my life. Suck my life out of me. Slurp, 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 slurp. All these stuff is 500. Imposter. I am the imposter monster. Imposter monster. I just killed it. So I was so quiet for an amount of time. I'm gonna set O2 off. Frick, I can't do O2 yet. Is anyone in here? No. What? Oh, phew. Someone vented. Tan? It ain't tan. Oh, I got some fallen tan. It's purple. It's purple. Purple, purple, purple. Purple. I'm sticking with my buddy. frick! Ah! Kill someone right by purple. Cyan. No. Cyan. Baboosh! They're gonna vote purple. Vote purple, vote purple. Sabotage. Let's set reactor off. They're gonna die. They're gonna die. They're gonna die. They're gonna die. God, or not. I like to move it. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Bye bye.